Hello Monster Jam fans, and welcome back to another Monster Jam OCD video. Today we're going to take a look at these 3 new Double Down Showdown packs by Spin Master Monster Jam. Welcome back everyone. Today's a very special video because I was not expecting these trucks to be out in the public just yet, but thanks to Race Grooves, who found these trucks in stores, he pointed me in the direction of them because it looks like they're actually out in the public early. Anyway, that's the point of this video, and today we're going to be reviewing these 3 Double Down Showdown packs by Spin Master. Some pretty cool stuff. I did just do a review, and I saw it in stores as well, on the Mohawk Warrior, or the Great Clips Mohawk Warrior versus Son of a Digger pack. I will briefly mention it right now at the beginning that I already did this video, but here's this 2-pack. It is in this set. There's 4 packs. These are mixed 2. They are all exclusive trucks. You will not be able to find these trucks with the same styles outside of these packs. So, Double Down Showdown pack here for Great Clips Mohawk Warrior and the Son of a Digger with corrections. And here are the packs. So we have the Megalodon with the newer blue rims versus Pirate's Curse with the yellow ones. And we have Soldier Fortune versus Soldier Fortune Black Ops. There are some corrections on these things that we did not see before. And here is the final pack, which you actually saw at the kickoff show for Monster Jam 2019 season, the Higher Education versus the Blue Roll Cage Bounty Hunter. We're going to take a look at this one first, and here's the back of the box. It does feature random packs of this set. I am noticing something that is crazy. This package is likely not fixed, but that is the Chris Kyle Bounty Hunter on the side. That is strange. That is not a real design. That is not what this body... or not that body, but this body is. So if you guys are looking at the back of the packaging, it is not the Chris Kyle Bounty Hunter. It is something different. That is very strange to see, though. Maybe they're going to fix it in the future. I have no clue, but that's interesting, to say the least. And of course, we have Higher Education here. Pretty cool. So this is the Megalodon versus Pirate's Curse pack. We're going to take a look at it right now. Okay, so here we are. We have the Megalodon and Pirate's Curse. Oh, that's very cool. I'm noticing something new on this Pirate's Curse that they added on after the revised product. The red-rimmed Pirate's Curse does not include this, but the new Pirate's Curse with the yellow rims has a gold tooth, which you can see right there. This is the unrevised gold-rimmed one. So you can see it has no gold tooth. I don't have the red-rimmed one, but I'm almost 100% certain it does not have a gold tooth. Yellow rims, and I'm noticing it actually has a light gray base. Pretty cool. And here's the Megalodon. So the Megalodon is very different to the ones we saw previously. I have a few around here somewhere. Here's one of them. Here's the Monster Dirt one with the Monster Jam logo, with the gray Monster Jam logo. You can see the rim color is dramatically different. I am looking for the singles one. Here it is right here. This is the one that came in singles. It has the black Monster Jam logo, the same rims for both variations though. You can see it has a big rim difference right there. And comparing to the other one as well from the singles with the gray Monster Jam logo, same color difference, and then the black Monster Jam logo mud one also has the same difference. So pretty interesting. So next one up is the Soldier Fortune versus Soldier Fortune Black Ops. This is the first time I'll be seeing a Soldier Fortune Black Ops out of the box, and the back of the package has the Megalodon and Pirate's Curse pack that we just looked at. So here we go. We're going to open it up right now. Alright, so here they are, the Soldier Fortune and the Soldier Fortune Black Ops out of the package. This is actually the same, or slightly almost the same, Soldier Fortune that we saw in the Monster Dirt. So there is a few differences. The first difference I'm noticing is on the newer one with the Double Down Showdown pack, you can see the camo is dramatically different. They really corrected this camo to be very sharp. It's not this big fuzzy mess. So I like that Spin Master is definitely revising and fixing things, even as they're going along in this year. They're fixing things, they're looking at it, they're correcting them. That would take a while with previous dealings with other companies. We do not see this type of revision during the season that these trucks are coming out in. You usually don't see the revisions taking place, but they're revising as they go along, and they're changing details that need to be fixed, and this is definitely a fixed product. You can see the roof is not blacked out anymore. It does have camo on the 2 sides here, and the lights are green, and you can see the camo is just so much sharper. That's crazy how different it is. You can see the darkness of the camo. It's almost as if it's the throwback graphics style with the clear graphics. So let's zoom in the side panel. It's a little blurry, but for what it was on the old one, it's a dramatic difference to this edition here. And you can see the metallic flat clear coat. It is a matte clear coat here on this edition. And the Soldier Fortune logo in the back, a little bit smaller than it was previously. And it's just so much clearer. It's really nice. It does make this truck look much better. So basically the difference is the correction on the decals and also the fact that the mud treads do not carry over to the double pack one. But this one, I think this one's so beautiful. It looks really good. I'm very happy with this product right here. And of course, this one looks great too. The Soldier Fortune Black Ops. I do have the Mattel one to compare today. Because I've compared the Soldier Fortune in the past, I won't compare it here. But I do have the Black Ops from the Hot Wheels edition. Hot Wheels bothered me because its gray did not carry over to the hood. So it stopped right here, and it's supposed to go all the way to the end of the hood. The Spin Master one has two different black tones to it, so you can see the black, dark black shininess here. And then, of course, you got the gray, kind of flat gray area here that goes all the way across the entire fender up to the hood, which is how it's supposed to be. And the decals are kind of hard to read, kind of like a Blackout series truck, but you can see there's the silver Monster Jam logo, the silver American flag, and right there it says Soldier Fortune Black Ops. And same on the tailgate right there with the red taillights. And here's the comparison to Mattel's. They had a very bright gray. That's not really how it should be, I don't think. But you can see, I think this one looks much sleeker, especially for something that's a Black Ops. You know, even Black Ops, technically, they're really supposed to be, you know, secretive. And this truck's definitely one of those style secretive looking trucks. And you can see mine does appear to have a little bit of a chip right there on the top of the door, but that's no big deal to me. You can see it's pretty cool. It's got all this nice matte clear-coated black glossy paint here. It's glossy, but it's still a matte clear coat. That's crazy. I don't know how they did that, but pretty cool. And it does have a black base, a black roll cage, and black rims, as well as black tires. So this whole thing's just completely, you know, ominous looking. It's very interesting. This is the Higher Education versus Bounty Hunter pack. This is the back of the box. This is, of course, the Mohawk Warrior versus Son of a Digger pack that I did do a video on just a couple days ago. So here we go. We're gonna open up the Bounty Hunter versus the Higher Education. All right, so here they are, Bounty Hunter and Higher Education. We saw these at the kickoff show for the Monster Jam 2019 season. These were some of the first ones that we ever saw in final product form. These might not be final products. I'm assuming they probably are. By the looks of it, they're pretty good and refined, but you never know. There might be some corrections made in the future. So it's super cool to see them finally out in the public. I don't know if there'll be corrections to this Higher Education. People were saying that it's a little inaccurate because it is missing its sponsorships. You know, I don't know if they're going to add them on in the future. Also, it is missing the front door, which I did note. I did notice that something was missing on the front here. And compared to the Mattel edition, there's a lot of sponsors here missing, but we do have a door on the Mattel edition, which is not a feature of the Spin Master one. You know, again, they could add it in the future. That's not that big of a deal. There's a simple decal fix, but you can see it does have an emergency exit logo here. It's not on the Spin Master one. But the thing I like about this one, and it's super cool, it's really in your face there. You can see it. I mean, it's got a 3D stop sign. So you got a stop sign sticking off the side of the truck. I thought originally when I saw this on the kickoff show, the pictures, I thought this would move. It's actually not movable. It's not a functioning stop sign like I thought it was. It is rubber, and it does kind of move when you push on it, but if you push it too far, it will bend permanently, so I'm not going to do that, but you can see it is hooked in there. Pretty cool. I mean, it's an awesome looking thing. It would be cool to see maybe in the future a functional stop sign to, you know, click in and out of place. So anyway, that's the Higher Education. You can see it says Cool Bus. It has the lights and the tail lights. Got the Monster Jam logo, the Higher Education. Of course, this really cool little stop sign with the insert piece. It's a little rubber thing. Got the grill, the headlights, and of course the top lights on here again with the Cool Bus. And there's the rims, and there's the gray base. So this one also shares a gray base, just like Pirate's Curse. Interesting. I'm not sure why that is. It might just be to balance out the colors. Maybe it just didn't look good with chrome. So maybe in the future, again, a functional stop sign would be pretty awesome to see. And here's the Bounty Hunter. So the Bounty Hunter, is receiving a few different little things. So you got the blue roll cage this time. The original singles release had the blue rims, and here's the roof. Same thing going on here with the roof. So pretty much overall it's just the roll cage color and the rim color that changed. So they kind of switched them around, and it looks pretty good. So there it is, the Bounty Hunter. So that is the Bounty Hunter, Higher Education, and of course the rest of these trucks that I reviewed today. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. This is Ryan or Monster Jam OCD signing out.